What's up guys, Carly here, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this fun jump rope trick called the Crooger, just like this. Alright, if that looks like fun, grab your rope and come join me. Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for joining me on how to do this fun jump rope trick called the Crooger, also known as the leg wrap. Alright, so we're going to get started right away. So first you want to make sure that you have two separate moves down, okay? You want to make sure that you can do a leg wrap, which is just taking your arm underneath your leg, okay? Sometimes it's hard for people to get that down. You got to be a little bit flexible. Usually one leg's going to be easier than the other, so stick with that one. And you want to make sure that you can do a side swing cross, okay? And that's like this. If you don't know how to do this, you can check out my tutorial right here, and that'll teach you how to do a side swing cross, okay? Alright, so here we are. Let's get started. We're first just going to do the movement a couple times before we actually jump over the rope. But go ahead and have your jump rope in your hand so you can just get used to the placement and timing of this, okay? Alright, so I'm going to start on my right leg, so I'm going to use my right arm, and it's going to go underneath my right leg, okay? So you're going to lift your right leg up, or you can do left and left, okay? You do you. So, the placement of this, you want to make sure that you are crouched down, and you want to make sure that you can kind of almost lock your elbow in with your knee, alright? You're going to want to get in a tight enough little crouch like that because you want to make sure that the rope is going to be able to go over your head and underneath your legs, okay? So if you're standing up too tall and you're not getting up enough, then your rope is going to get caught, and if you're standing down too low, then your rope is going to get caught, okay? So we just got to find that sweet spot, and so you just got to keep practicing a couple times, alright? So let's try swinging the rope over our heads. We're going to swing it over our head, and as it comes down, that's when you take your right arm or your left arm and you go under the exact leg, okay? So it's this movement right here, okay? And that's all you're gonna do. So as the rope comes over, you're gonna swing it under, okay? So let's try this without jumping over the rope, but just swinging it, okay? So, just like that, okay? And make sure that the rope just hits your toe right there, okay? So just get used to this placement right here. All right, you wanna make sure that your rope is going to be down far enough so you can jump over it, okay? If not, make sure that you are adjusting your placement if you're too high or too low so you're in that sweet spot, okay? All right, so let's just practice doing that a few times, and then we're gonna jump over the rope and again, just let it catch on your toe, okay? So let's do two more of these of just swinging the rope over, then under your leg. All right, now let's try to jump over it, okay? So you're gonna swing it, jump, just let it hit, okay? So swing, jump, just let it hit. All right, so once you think you got that down, after you are in this position right here, all you're gonna do is a side swing to your opposite side, okay? So if you're lifting your right leg, you're gonna do a side swing cross to your left. If you're lifting your left leg, you're gonna do a side swing cross to your right, okay? So when we're in this position right here, all it is just swinging the rope out and crossing, okay? Just like that. So don't worry too much about your leg. You can even kind of keep that up for a second. Just focus on trying to get that side swing movement, okay? And then naturally your leg is just gonna come down, all right? You don't wanna think about, don't wanna get overwhelmed, think about two things at once, okay? So just focus on keeping your leg up and just doing that side swing, okay? If you have to just keep your leg up the whole time while you focus on getting that side swing, then do that, okay? So here we go. We are going to do the rope over, side swing, and jump, okay? Just like that, all right? So let's try that again. Ready? Jump, under, side swing, cross. All right, I'm gonna do this in slow motion. Okay, just like that, that's all there is to it. And then after you get down the side swing movement down, then your leg's gonna come down a little bit sooner. So it'll be like this. Down, cross, okay? Up, down, cross. All right? Cool. All right, guys, so thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Let me know how you liked it, and I hope to see you again. Have a great day. Bye.